Hello, and welcome back to the CareC24 software tutorials. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create, view, delete, and reanalyze analyses for a patient. To get started with an analysis, first you must have registered a patient. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch our video on this channel about how to register a patient. First, navigate to the Analysis option in the System menu. If you are not already in this section, simply click on it. Once inside, you will see two sections displayed. Analysis, Reanalysis section. In this section, you'll find several options to manage patient analyses. A search bar to quickly locate a specific patient in the list. A patient list, displaying all registered patients in the program. A Delete Analysis button allowing you to remove an analysis for a selected patient. A text input field where you can enter the name of a new analysis, alongside a Create Analysis button to generate it. A combo box field allows you to select a previously created analysis for the reanalysis process. Once selected, simply click the Reanalysis button to begin. List of the recent analysis. In this section, all the analyses created per patient will be displayed. Now, let's create a new analysis. First, select a patient by double-clicking on their name in the list. To confirm the selection, the patient's name will appear below the blue button. Next, enter the name of the analysis in the provided field. Once the name is entered, click the blue New Analysis button. After clicking, the system will display a new view. This view includes several options, which we will explain in detail later. Key information, such as the date, the name of the analysis, and the patient's name. To begin the analysis process, the first step is to select the rates you want to analyze. There are two main ways to do this: by category and subcategory. The rates are organized into categories and subcategories, which you can navigate to locate the desired items. Once you select a category, the related rates will appear in a list. From this list, double-click on a specific rate, and it will be added to the table for analysis. By search bar. If you know the name of the rate you're looking for, use the search field located at the bottom of the rates list. For example, to find a homeopathic medicine like Corallium rubrum, start typing its name, and the program will filter the list to display matching results. Once the desired rate is found, double-click it to add it to the table. At the top of the rates list, you'll find several buttons. All adds all rates from the list to the table. None removes all selected rates from the table. In the table at the top of the screen, there are two additional buttons. Start Analysis begins the analysis process. Remove Rate deletes a selected rate from the table. To remove a rate, first select it with a double click in the table. Once you have added the necessary rates to the table, click on the Start Analysis button. A panel of options will appear, allowing you to customize the analysis process. This panel includes a selection box to choose the type of analysis. Pro generates results as values from 0 to 100 without considering levels, potency, or suggested levels. Percentage also generates values from 0 to 100, but includes options for suggesting potency and levels. You can either input these manually or allow the system to generate them automatically. -100 to 100 produces both negative and positive values within a range of -100 to 100, with the same manual or automatic options for potency and level selection. Additionally, this panel contains two enabled buttons. Start Analyzing, used to initiate the analysis process. Add Rates, allows you to add new rates or modify existing ones in the table. After completing the previous steps, click on the blue Start Analysis button. A progress bar will then appear, indicating the process is underway. Once completed, the system will display the results. Additionally, several options will become available. Save and Create Remedy converts the analysis into a remedy. Send to ECS card saves the remedies to a card. Send to Device sends the remedy to a quantum care machine. Create Report generates a PDF file with the analysis. At the top of the table, there are two buttons for deleting rates. Red button deletes the selected rate. Range button deletes multiple rates by specifying a range, from a minimum value to a maximum value. When the analysis process is complete, click the Save and Return button to go back to the main view and see the created analysis in the Recent Analyses list. In addition, to view the values from the analysis you've created, simply double-click on the analysis in the list. The system will then display the analysis panel, where you can review the generated values. If you want to delete an analysis, first make sure you have the corresponding patient selected. Then, select the analysis from the list and click on the Delete Analysis button. You'll see the analysis is automatically removed from the list. That is all for this video. I hope it has been helpful in understanding how to perform analyses using the CARE C24 software. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye.